Hi guys, welcome back to Beyond Infinity Tarot channel. So today's topic is what is the messages and meanings behind the repeating numbers that you are currently seeing. Okay, so for example, if you are repeatedly seeing 11 or 11, 222, 333, so what is the message for you, like particularly for you, for that particular angel number, okay, for your current timeline and situation. Okay, so you have three options to choose from. Option one, like pile 1 is going to be within the next few weeks, and pile 2 is going to be within the next few months, and pile 3 is going to be wait. Okay, so select your option you feel most drawn to and then start with your reading. Hi pile 1, so you chose within the next few weeks. This is going to be a reading. So for you guys, okay, so I asked spirit, so what kind of angel numbers you are seeing. Okay, so it may or may not resonate with you, but for example, I got 111, 11, 11, 333 or number 3 sequence, and number 12, number 15. Okay, so maybe you are seeing those angel numbers on repeatedly or on a continuous basis. So the message I got for you guys, like wait, because better outcome is on the horizon. Okay, so this is the message I got for you. Let's see within the next few weeks, because the situation is going to improve. Okay, that's what I hear. So let's see why pile 1 is seeing repeating numbers. Okay, Ace of Cups. So I want to clarify the Ace of Cups before we can get any further messages. Okay, Ace of Cups. Okay, Seven of Cups and the Lovers. Okay, so definitely there is a decision that you have to make. Okay, so maybe you are deciding something, or yes, there is a decision related to it. Seems like it's either related to your particular relationship, or either it's related to something that is going to impact that's going to make an impact on you emotionally. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So with the Lovers card and with the Seven of Cups here, and the Page of Wands at the back of the deck, so maybe you feel the need to make a decision uh, in a hurry, or there is a lot of a confusion on your part. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. That's why you're seeing those numbers. Okay, so maybe I feel like don't make a decision based on your impulses, or based on what you are seeing. Okay, because there may be something that you are not seeing clearly. Okay, there is some sort of confusion that you have, or there is some sort of ambu yeah, there is some sort of a confusion that you may have, or there is some sort of a illusion that is in this situation. Okay, so or maybe you are scared of something. Okay, so that's why you are seeing those numbers, and the message was wait for some time, or maybe until you get the clarity, don't make that decision. Okay, that's the vibe I'm getting. Okay, and you had the Four of Wands and the Devil. Okay, so definitely, so whatever decision that you are going to make, okay, pile 1, it's going to impact, either it's going to give you the Four of Wands, or is it going to give you the Devil. Okay, so what I'm saying here, it's like I'm not going to scare you, I'm not scaring anyone. It just, I'm getting here the feeling of you. It's about, it's not like who is influencing your decision, it's like your own mindset. Okay, so ask yourself before this making this decision, that is this decision, is whatever that you are about to decide, okay, for you pile 1, is it based on your fears, or is it based on your confidence. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So if you are confident about something, if you are very clear about whatever decision that you have to make, it's going to give you this Ace of Cups. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Or otherwise, I'm just seeing like there is someone is trying to make a decision based on their fear. Okay, or maybe you feel like if you don't make this decision, you will be end up in this toxic pattern. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And one more message I get for you is for pile 1 is maybe you have gone through a lot of stuff. Okay, it was not easy for you to handle emotionally, so universe is trying to offer you, okay, the love and guidance, okay, right now. So before you make this decision, I really feel that you should fill the fill your own cup with the love, okay, that is already flowing through you. That's what I'm getting, so that you will get the clarity, so you can make that decision and you will get this Four of Wands. This is the simplest message I'm getting for you, pal 1. Okay, so it's never too late, it's not getting late, you are not late, it's not like there is no rush, even though you have the Page of Wands here. Okay, so I feel like there is the element of you need to heal first so that you can take the better decision. Okay, that's what I'm getting. If you are going to take a decision, if you are going to make this decision based on how you are feeling, if you are feeling this from the place of love and not from the place of fear, you will definitely going to succeed, okay, with the Four of Wands energy. So if you are looking for a partner or a person here, okay, and that person is not giving you the clarity, it's not, if you are not sure about that person, I think you should ask them how you truly feel about your about this whole situation, about them. Okay, and then make a decision about it. Okay, because the Four of Wands and Devil, you may be dealing with some Capricorn here, or there is some sort of a very intense connection or there intense feeling that you are feeling right now. Okay, so I'm getting different messages, so take what resonates. Okay, so I'm here seeing here the Four of Wands energy, so definitely there is some sort of a success celebration and feeling like a home, feeling like feeling of a completion I'm seeing here. So, or it simply means that before judging someone, okay, you have to give some time to that person to open up to you emotionally. Okay, then make that decision. Okay, because if you are willing to wait for that person to open up or for that connection to happen, it's going to be in this Four of Wands energy. Of course, if it is toxic, if it is feels like it is too much to ask for, if it is not giving you this Ace of Cups energy, then it's not the message for you. Okay, so I hope, okay, let's see with the angel oracles, any guidance. So come through with the guidance for you. Any guidance? No, what guidance? Okay, you have the forgiveness, you have the big happy changes. If you believe, yes, definitely, if you believe, listen to your intuition and success. You have two success card with the Four of Wands and the success. Okay, and forgiveness and big happy changes. So I feel like there is a need of a forgiveness and the situation will improve. This is the message I got for you in the beginning of the reading. So the situation is going to improve. So if there is a, if you are not getting the clarity for now, I feel like there is a need to you to just forgive yourself and others so that you can get the clarity, because big and happy changes is coming your way because you are feeling it. Okay, something good is about to happen. Okay, and if you believe here and listen to your intuition, your intuition is really here going to help you make a right decision. And if you believe, it's if you believe that you deserve the good thing, and if you believe that this connection is worth uh, or whatever that is worth to give your attention, time and energy, then it's going to be definitely a success. Okay, that's what I'm getting for you, pal 1. I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye, 11 peace. Hi pal 2, so you chose within the next few months this is going to be your reading. So when I channel for pal 2, I feel like you may be seeing 222, okay, the number 2 sequence or number 5. Okay, so 555, so it may or may not resonate with you. So even if you are not seeing those particular angel numbers, still if you are clicking on this reading may be for you. Okay, so why you are seeing those numbers, repeating numbers, angel numbers, it's because I feel like you are protected. Okay, if you are asking about questions about your safety and security, I'm just getting a very clear message that you are protected, you are guided. Okay, you are being protected in a very like a white light aura, or maybe you are seeing the not triangular shape, but rectangular shape. Okay, just kind of like a portal. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. I feel like you are about to make a very big change in your life, Palsu. That's why you are seeing a lot of angel numbers. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. Yes, and it's like because you are just going through a very major transformation, even change of your life in general. That's why you are being very protected right now. So maybe there are not a lot of people can see your true potential because it's being hidden from people who are not meant to see it. Okay, so if you are feeling like why do I not get to show my progress to the people, and why they can't see my progress, it's because you are being protected right now. Okay, because you are in the protected cocoon. Okay, so that you are not being seen by things and people and places and situations and things that may not have a best interest for you. Okay, so let's see why path you are saying angel numbers. So, oh, it's like Ten of Pentacles. I just feel like you are going to get the Ten of Pentacles, okay? And the Hermit here. Hmm. So, so I'm getting a message like you are being very different from your family, or you are not living with your family. Okay, there is some sort of a separation or distance you have within your family. Okay, between you and your family. Okay, maybe your values and the your perspective is very different from your family. Okay, it's not matching. It doesn't have to be only family or people you spend a lot of your time with. Okay, maybe in your work situation, or even your friends, maybe your past friends situation, that they don't understand you or your views or your viewpoints. There's very like a difference. Okay, even if it's not a difference, even if it's there is a distance. Okay, it's a physical distance, or you know, it's a very emotional distance. Okay, that's what I'm picking up on here. And maybe you are very isolated, or you are all by yourself because of not being, because others are not being able to understand what you are going through and why you are doing certain things. It's because they are not meant to know here. Okay, that's what I'm getting. I feel like your vibration is very higher than who you are with. Okay, pile 2. Okay, so if someone is not understanding your viewpoints and perspectives, because of they are not able to understand you because of the vibrational difference that you have with them. Okay, this is the message I got for you. Okay, clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Let me clarify. Three of Cups and Seven of Wands. Yes, you see here, even I saw, I told you, maybe your family or friends. Okay, with the Seven of Wands, you have to be very defensive around certain people. Okay, and with the World card, I feel like you have upgraded. Okay, pal too. Okay, emotionally, maybe you have very like learned a lot of lessons. Okay, in this lifetime, that's why you are very different from the people. Different, I'm not saying different like how you look, or maybe you look different also, but it almost feels like they can't understand you because the vibrational energy or energetic vibrations here, it's very different. Okay, so you don't feel resonated with people around you, or the, you know, the overall perspective that those people have. Okay, and it's kind of bothering you, so you may try to defend yourself, you may try to, even you may try to wake them up. You are telling them to see things from different perspective, but they don't want to change. Okay, there is a very like a rigidity coming from those people. Okay, there is this very stiff energy, they don't want to understand your opinions. Okay, I feel like you are, on your part, maybe you have a very like a fire energy, or fire energy, or water, or a very like air energy. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So maybe Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, you may have. And even though you are even you may have a very like strong earth placement, but you still have this um, flexibility within you. Okay, you adapt to changes. Okay, that's why you may be seeing a 5 number a lot, or 5 or 10 also. Okay, number 7, number 3, okay, as well here. So that's why there is a very like a lot of difference. Okay, maybe the people you are with are, I don't know why I'm just talking about this so much. It's because they are so into this material life, just indulging self-indulgence. Okay, that's what I'm seeing a lot. And you are on the your part, you want to you want to make progress, you want to be different, you want to be something, you want to be someone. Okay, here that's why they don't understand you. And with the world card here, you are definitely about to start a new journey. I'm seeing a glow up also. Okay, that's why you are seeing a lot of angel numbers. Okay, you are transforming. Okay, you are transforming, you are being a better version of yourself. You are going to definitely see a huge improvement in all areas of your life because of the hard work that you are doing. And even if it's a mental, okay, even if it's through your mind, even if it's through your emotional shift. Okay, you are definitely going to see a lot of changes in your reality soon. Okay, because the world also talks about the slow moving energy. So it's about like you already have a 10 here, so you have ended the chapter, you have completed the circle. Okay, so now you are about to see those um, results of the changes that you have been through. Okay, or you are going through right now. So why actually same angel numbers? Okay, 7 of Pentacles. Yes, there is an energy of waiting. Definitely, you have the 7 7. So don't stop taking actions. Okay, even if you even if don't people don't understand why you are doing certain things. Okay, because of differences that you are facing right now, because of some criticism, or because of some strong opinions that you are getting from the majority of people around you. Okay, it doesn't matter, because you, with the temperance here and the 8 of Sword, you are being protected. Okay, so because of the slow progress, because of the slow moving energy, you know that you are thinking about the far future, or you may have a very big vision or goal. Then you know that it's going to take a time, it's going to take a while, but you are just um, there is some sort of a I'm just getting like insecurity even. So you are protected, you are being protected right now with the temperance here. Okay, don't have to, you don't have to it's like just like take a step one by one. Okay, because with the full card, you have to, okay, there is going to be a time, okay, or you may be on that uh, point of a time where you have to ask to trust, even though there is no certainty about your situation, about your progress, or about, okay, about anything. You are not seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, but you are still asked to have faith, trust in the power of the universe. Okay, and you may ask yourself why you have to go through so much hardships, and why others are enjoying their life and you are here struggling, even though you are very vibrationally on a high level, you have the good morals, and you are doing the right things. Okay, in general, it's because where universe wants you to take you, it's a, they are not going to able to meet that level. Okay, where you are about to go pile to. That's why you have to go through this hardships, or changes by changes. Okay, so don't stop, because you are so close. Okay, that's what I'm getting. You have been doing this leap of faith energy, you have been keeping up with this leap of faith energy, or you may sometimes feel like a fool because you don't know like what is going to happen next. But trust me, because of the unwavering faith you have in the universe, in the higher power, you are definitely going to see the best results that you can ever see in your life. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So even if you have some insecurities, try to work on them. because it's going to definitely help you. Okay, so let's see. Advice for you, part 2. Oh, it's up to you. Yes, it's up to you. You again have a fight. Forgiveness card and communicate clearly in the near future. So it's about to happen in the near future, and take action. That's what I told you. Okay, take action if you believe. I know you believe in this miracle in the universe. Don't stop believing it. Okay, and if with the forgiveness card, if I feel like you have to forgive yourself and others who may not believe in you, and communicate clearly, communicate what you truly want from the universe. Okay, don't think about if it is too much, if it's too much to ask for. Okay, and in the near future it's going to happen, so don't stop taking actions. Take action. Okay, that's what I have for you, Palvan. I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye. 11 peace. Hi, Pal 3. So you chose a weight. This is going to be your reading. So possible angel numbers you could be seeing are 624. It's very specific for someone, and 360, 390. Okay, 369 also. I'm hearing that you are into manifestation. Maybe you are learning 369 method, okay, of manifestation. And the particular message that I got for you, part 3, is watch out what you are manifesting. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So be very mindful like what you are manifesting, or maybe you should get some clarity before manifesting something or someone. Okay, this is like an opening message, so we'll see what is all about. Okay, why part 3 is angel numbers. Okay, aha. So you may be drawn to pile 1. You can watch that reading. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Why so much? Sorry. Okay. So you have the lovers, you have the page of wands, you have the ten of wands, 10 of cups. Okay, so right away with this 10 of pentacles, 10 of wands and 10 of pentacles, not 10 of pentacles, sorry, 10 of cups. Okay, so I feel like someone wants to watch pile 2, or maybe someone is coming from pile 2 here. Okay, welcome. Anyways, oh, so the message I'm getting here, okay, pile 2. Okay, for signs I'm getting here: Gemini, Virgo, Scorpio, Cups energy, so Pisces, Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries could be. Here we have Pentacles, so maybe someone is Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo. I said Virgo, yes. So message I got for you: if you want to manifest like a past lover or someone who already break your heart, okay, so this is like message from the universe. Okay, I just see 222 here. Okay, so maybe you are seeing 222 a lot. If you are thinking about going back to the past lover, just think about it twice. Okay, because there is some sort of decision that you are making. Maybe you are into juggling into something, or maybe you are being too overwhelmed by your responsibilities in work. Also here with the Knight of Pentacles, and if you want to, yes, this is the message I got with, because you have the 10 of Cups, then Knight of Cups, and a Death card, then the Hermit here. If like someone is giving you the silent treatment, someone is giving you the like giving you insecurity about yourself, about your looks, or even someone is like doing like on and off connection, like universe wants you to like saying that you can do better, you can have this 10 of cups but with someone new. Okay, and if you are not manifesting past person, if you want to manifest a new person here, then and if you are hoping that the past person will return, if even if they come back in, maybe someone is trying to tell you that they were like too focused on their life or too focused on their work here, but and that's why they didn't get the time, didn't try to make efforts that they need to make, then this is like a excuses that this person is giving to you. Okay, because for like universe is saying that you deserve this 10 of cups energy. Okay, if someone is giving you only this 10 of wands and this death card and the knight of cups, like someone is only saying like how much they care about you, how much they are loving you and things like that, and they are not making any move. They are not that person. And for some, I feel like you are going to manifest your person here. Okay, new connection, okay, with the page of wands. And so while you're seeing this new person, like past person may try to come back in. So be mindful like what you choose for yourself. Like it's up to you. Okay, so that's why you are getting this weight card. Okay, if you want to try to go back to the past person, okay, this is like energy I'm getting. It doesn't have to be only romantic relationship. It can be any relationship. It can be a friend, like you haven't like a you have had a very like a best friends with someone, and that person like broke your trust or something, and they try to come back in saying that they were kind of manipulated by someone, or they were busy, their life was a mess, and they try to come back in like they were not in the right in right mind when they treated you with this 10 of wands energy. They are not that person. Okay, they are not that person that deserve your energy. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. Very specific message. Or someone, I feel like you are going to meet this person while you are feel okay. For some, if you are like seeing someone, maybe you are developing some feelings for someone here, and there is energy of like you are questioning if that is the right person. Okay, and here with the 10 of cups energy, and you are feeling like this can be the one, but you feel like there is some sort of a blockage that you may suffer, like you are facing. Okay, in this connection, so you may try to find out the answers. Like you will get the answers. Okay, don't try to rush into making a decision or jumping onto the conclusion. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Let's see more. Okay, why Patrick is in numbers. Yeah, moon card, 8 of wands and 2 of wands, ace of wands. Again, one card wants to come out here, the King of Cups and Knight of Swords at the back of the deck. Can you clarify the moon here? So I'm clarify this. 4 of Wands and the Sun. Okay, the Moon card and the 4 of Wands. I'm just getting this as a like okay. So maybe you are about to find out your true life purpose. Okay, for someone, if you want to find that, or if you are working in a on a creative project and you're not sure about it, you are worried because of some fear, or because of a fear of judgment by someone or by yourself. You have to keep going. Okay, if you want to quit like before you see the results, don't do it. Okay, with the 2 of wands here, definitely there is some sort of a foundation that you have built. Okay, pile 3. So don't try to just call it end. Okay, because you are going to see the results of your manifestation with the 8 of wands, ace of wands, and the king of cups. Okay, the burdensome energies and the like all the unhappiness you have felt, and the fears that you have felt with this moon card, it's going to replace with this sun energy in the back of the deck. Okay, so any temporary negative feelings that you are feeling are just temporary. Okay, what that's why you are seeing those angel numbers here. And if you feel like you have found the right match, okay, that person is going to willing to take all the efforts that they need to make this relationship work. And there is a communication is coming in with the 8 of wands and the ace of wands. Okay, so someone may have a very fiery energy here, someone may have a very Leo placements, or someone is on the public eye, or you will be in the public eye because of your work here. Okay, you will get the recognition, okay, that you need if you're asking that question. With the King of Cups energy, maybe this person is having a hard time to open up, because they feel so much deep emotions for you, so they are going to open up. Okay, but they will need some time, so that's why you are getting this weight card. Okay, and if it's about you, here you have been asked to open up emotionally here. That's what I'm getting. That's why this King of Cups is here. Okay, so let's see advice from angel oracles for you for part 3. Okay, here unlikely let go within the next few weeks, the perfect timing, and peaceful resolution within the next few months. Not taking those cards. Okay, so in the near future. So even if some situation or some connection didn't work out, it will be replaced by the best connections that you can ever imagine for yourself. Okay, that's a message for you, Patrick. With the let go card, you have to let go of the past hurt, past people, or past connection that doesn't serve you anymore. In the next few weeks and perfect timing, there will be an you will get the clarity within the next few weeks. Okay, or it can be in the near future. It doesn't have to be a few weeks. Okay, you will get the perfect answer for all the questions that you have, or all the things that you want to manifest, or who is the right person for you. Okay, you will get that clarity. Until then, you have to wait. Okay, that's what I have for you, Patri. I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye, love and peace.